With our slats all glued into place and the rest of our project just dry assembled, we're going to start focusing on the armrests. Taking a look at our plans, we have 2 armrests. These pieces are mirror images of each other as well. The curved portion needs to face outward. The flat edge needs to face inward to give clearance for the seat. Taking a look at the armrest drawing, we have a width of 3 inches and a length of 19 1/4 inches. Taking a look at my rough dimension cut list, I will be sizing this to 3 inches width, which is my final measurement. I'm not going to do an oversized width. I am, however, going to add a little bit on the length and then bring that down later. So I need a piece of lumber that I can get 2 20 1/4 inch long pieces. So I will be laying out 2 20 1/4 inch long pieces by 3 inches wide. And this board should yield me enough material for those 2 pieces.